Hi there, here's Marco from Manarial Design, and today we're going to go through the short presentation of our latest theme named Didi. Didi is a stylish and modern premium WordPress theme that makes perfect match for fashion and lifestyle blog sites. With its beautiful typography and clean layout, it easily draws and keeps readers' attention on the most important, the content. There are no jumping or moving columns or any unneeded flashy effects that only compete for readers' attention. Just a well thought out, logical and SEO-friendly layout that make reading experience a joy. Let's start with the front end of the theme's demo, and then we'll take a quick look in the back end. Just to point out at the beginning, although we chose to use black and white images for our demo here, you can just as easy use color images instead. Front page in this theme is built using 3 widgetized content blocks and standard page editor content. Inside the 3 widgetized blocks, you can use whole variety of different widgets. This theme also comes with 5 custom widgets optimized for this theme. The front page is built using exclusively these custom widgets. So, here in the first block, we have a background image with text hover effect widget and a Didi promo widget. In the second block, there is a Didi recent posts widget and background image with text and button widget. And in the third block, we have another recent post widget, but this time showing different post category. The left sidebar here displays only if the third block is used. At the very bottom, we have this unique looking footer that is also widgetized. On this front page version, we haven't used page editor content, but if used, it would display above the first widgetized block, just below the menu, like in this version. There is an image and text added to the editor. It is as easy to add a slider or a video instead, if needed. There are so many possible layout combinations for the front page, and we presented some of them in these 4 front page versions. Alright, next to the front page, the most important page for any blogger would be a blog page. The blog page is built with less is more logic in mind. However, it offers some nice layout options. Beside the default layout with the right sidebar, there are layouts with the left sidebar, 2 and 3 column grid layouts, and the list layout. You can check each blog layout on our demo site. There is also an option to add a header image to the blog page, and it would appear above the logo. This can be done from the customizer, as we'll see later. Let's go to the rest of the pages we set up in our demo. Here is an About page that is built using default template. Then there is a Contact page that's also built using default template and Jetpack contact form. Beside the default template, there are 3 additional page templates that can be used to build your pages. There is a grid page template, full width template, and write content no sidebar page template. At last, there is a special template styled to support WooCommerce plugin that enables you to sell anything beautifully. There is also a nice option to choose shop layout with or without a sidebar directly from the customizer. Now, we'll jump into the customizer to check the available options. Here we have options to add title and the tagline, if logo is not used. Then, here you can upload your logo. In theme options, you can choose to hide the search box, choose between the different blog layout options, and the options to hide post author and date from posts, as well as to hide author biography. Here you can choose to hide sidebar from WooCommerce main product page and single product pages. Custom CSS box enables you to add CSS code if you wish to customize some theme elements. In custom colors, you can change colors of the main theme elements. Here you can change a background color. Here you can add a header image that will appear above the logo. Here you can add a background image. There are two menus in this theme: main navigation menu and a social menu that is displayed as a bar on the left side. Here you can control all the widgets available on the current page. As I mentioned earlier, front page is built with 3 widgetized blocks and widgetized footer area, and here you can see and control all these areas. In the static front page section, you can select which page to be your front and which to be your block page. Copyright settings enables you to change the copyright text or hide it. So, I guess that will be all in this presentation. I hope you like what Didi has to offer, and if you consider using it for your blog and have any questions, please visit our website anarieldesign.com. Thank you for your time.